Ya sudahlah, kita coba saja ya teman-teman untuk masuk ke circle ke 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 di chapter keempat. Aduh, kita akan berurusan dengan apa ini guys?
We need to get that soul shard to get the gate open.
Uh-huh.
Naturally, it's behind those bars. Well, if Malak won't let us get to the shard, we'll have to make the orb come to us. Go to the ring altar.
Katanya kita harus ke ring altar lagi. Baiklah kalau begitu. Coba. Kenapa? Jangan bilang ada skill baru
I
lagi
just
guys.
need to make a few more changes to your brain. Don't worry. If you start to feel dizzy or you start to smell colors, just take a deep breath and wait for it to pass.
Oke. Wih, kaget gua ya ampun.
If it doesn't pass,